Yes, my people, good day. Working on a Honda Pilot today, 3.5 Vtech, and we are changing out this solenoid pack right here. This is the new part that we're going to be replacing. See, it sits just like that.
Remove the engine cover, give yourself some room, unplug the solenoids and start to loosen up the harness, because the harness gonna be firm. Move the reservoir out the way so that I can get my impact down in there. It was kind of tight for space. I'm just loosening up this one bolt. See how rusty it is holding the harness. I'm constantly feeling and shaking and moving the harness, see if I get enough room and it tight. So I'm unplugging the ignition coil, see if I can get even 1 more inch, and I got 2 inches, so I'm glad for that. Remove the dipstick. You know this job tight when you have to move the dipstick. Cleaning the area off, because I don't want, when I remove the solenoid, any junk or dirt falls down in the cavity or the opening. Remove the bolts, put them up safely, and then give it a little love tap to break it kind of loose.
This gasket gets flattened out and it leaks past it.
We put that to the side, and then it's time to do some cleaning. Can't put a new part on a dirty foundation, you understand? So clean it up real nice and just carefully set it in there. One little trick I use is I put it in there with the bolts already in position, so it kind of help me to line up. Notice I didn't use the impact to send the bolts home all the way. I want to feel how tight they are. You know, I'm torquing it here. Yes, we should have used a torque wrench, but you know, I won't even get into that. But yeah, man, tighten everything back up and just plug everything back in. Make sure so everything is nice. Remember to put the dipstick back in. Very important. And then in passing, just give it 1-2 love spray. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Have a nice day.